Hello, dear friends. I will tell you that task related product recommendation English 0.015 per hit. In this talk, you will be presented with information on an ad for a product that a user has shown interest in and an ad for a product we would like to suggest the user as an ad and purchase. You will use the dear friends, dear viewer, if you want to qualification of this task, you will find in the video description dear viewer, in the video description you will find exam solution key. If you want to looking for qualification this task, you will find key in video description. See, start. I will proof